friends, welcome back to our channel. So we have an announcement to make. We are going to start doing villa and condo tours in Cha and Hua Hin. We hear a lot of people coming to us on Instagram and they're saying that they want to see properties or they want to know the name of the realtor that we went through. They have a hard time getting in communication with a realtor here in Hua Hin. So we are going to partner with a realtor and go to these different villas and condos that are for rent and for sale. And if you're interested in them, the information will be in the description below so that you can easily make your transition over here into Thailand.
We want to detail actual places that you guys can live in. Now, for us, we're already in a decent, stable location. But we want to give you guys the opportunity to see both sides of the coastal side of Thailand. That's the luxury side, so things, in the upwards of, $2,000 to $3,000+ a month. Also with the selling, and then on the more affordable side, right, things bubbling around $1,200, $1,000 or lower. So just give everybody a different taste of Thailand because, all these places are either right off the beach or pretty much inward of the beach, inland of the beach. So it's a very coastal area. So you're gonna get a lot of differences in topography. So I just wanna be able to advertise that for you guys and actually give you guys the information, like Lauren said, up front, right? When you're looking at the tours, it'll be in the description. You'll have our agent that we work with getting our place. His contact will be in the information. So this will be streamlined. Literally, if you see a video and you like it and you want it, you can get it.
Yes, yep.
That's kind of our process that we're looking to start hopefully this week. Whether you want to be here short term, maybe under 6 months or long term, with potentially buying, you have those options, a plethora of options between Siam. I even want to go into maybe some of the northern parts of Pran Buri, because a lot of people don't even know about Pran Buri.
And that is it's a very, very nice area as well. So if there's anything specific that you are looking to see in those areas, let us know. But we do got a list right now that we are going to start dropping for y'all.
What's cool about this is there's not going to be any formalities with it. I don't want us to get too formal and overly done with professionalism. We're walking through the place. If we have the availability, we'll talk about things around the property on set date. But it's still something that should be kind of conversational even after we post it, right? Go in the comments, discuss things about the property that you like, that you don't like. Properties that you may want to see if the first few that we're showing isn't really working, and vice versa. If the first few you're showing, even if it's on the luxurious side, which is more so on the more expensive side, if you want to keep seeing that, let us know. Always give us that feedback.
Yeah, we definitely will appreciate it so we can know how to move forward.
For those of you who are planning, right, those who are subscribed or not subscribed, right, we're hopefully our goal with this is for obviously the YouTube algorithm to kick into people who are outside of our, subscriptions. So people are, getting exposed to the coastal side of Thailand and the real estate they're in. But for those of you guys who watch these videos are planning to actually relocate, you bought a ticket or plan to buy a ticket in the next couple of weeks, couple months to start living your new life in Thailand, this will be more for you guys. So let us know obviously in those comments kind of what your budgets are, what your ranges are, and then we could kind of ascertain to those, if you're looking to actually get into one of the places that we show. So that'd be more specific, to you guys outside of the regular postings that we have just for general viewership.
Yes. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing what you all have to say in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a like and a comment and subscribe and share our video to anyone that might be interested in moving to South Thailand.
And it's exciting for us too because even though we're in a stable location, you know, for me, ever since I was a child, I just love looking at homes.
Yeah,
I think
we do too.
Lauren shared the same sentiment, so we're lucky in that to be, you know, I guess on one accord with that. We in Florida, we used to look at homes all the time. While we were even in our first house, we still looked at homes.
Yeah, I mean, it was a nice hobby for us.
Yeah, it may be weird to people, like, you know, it's like you're window shopping, but it just looked good. It just looks nice. So, you know, like now we can do that and hopefully helping people.
Yeah, we can help you guys figure out where you can live. We can also, because we saw a previous comment, we can also walk throughout the neighborhood to show you what else also comes with the villa that you can potentially get. So it's nice for us to actually learn about Thailand.
Exactly.
And then you'll be learning about Thailand a little bit more too.
Yeah, so we'll be doing the legwork for you guys for sure. So definitely make sure you engage with us. And you know, definitely support the channel.
Yeah, we appreciate you.
As always, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.